And here's how the Prime Minister renewed his attack when he spoke in Aligarh just a few minutes ago. He amped the attack up further, said the Congress wants to probe everyone's wealth, including their houses, bank deposits and salaries. Also said the Congress is running after women's wealth and also their Mangal Sutras.
मैं देशवासियों को आगाह करना चाहता हूं, कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन की नजर अब आपकी कमाई पर है, आपकी संपत्ति पर है। कांग्रेस के शहजादे का कहना है कि उनकी सरकार आई तो कौन कितना कमाता है, किसके पास कितनी प्रॉपर्टी है, किसके पास कितना धन है, किसके पास कितने मकान है, उसकी जांच कराएंगे। इतना ही नहीं, वो आगे कहते हैं कि ये जो संपत्ति है उनको सरकार अपने कब्जे में लेकर उसको सबको बांट देगी, ये कहते हैं। ये मैनिफेस्टो उनका कह रहा है। भाइयों बहनों, आप सोचिए, हमारी माताओं बहनों के पास सोना होता है। ये सोना अवसरों पर सिर्फ शरीर पर पहन करके प्रभाव पैदा करने के लिए नहीं होता है। हमारे देश में माताओं बहनों के पास जो सोना होता है, कितना ही कम क्यों न हो, वो स्त्री धन होता है, पवित्र माना जाता है, कानून भी उसकी रक्षा करता है। अब इनकी नजर कानून बदलकर हमारी माताओं बहनों की संपत्ति छीनने का भी खेल खेला जा रहा है। उनका मंगलसूत्र, उस पर उन लोगों की नजर है। माताओं बहनों का सोना चुराने का इरादा। इतना ही नहीं, वो सर्वे करना चाहते हैं कि जो नौकरी पेशा वर्ग है, जो कर्मचारी है, उन्होंने अपनी बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए, बच्चों की शादी के लिए जो एफडी की है, फिक्स डिपॉजिट की है, किसकी कितनी सैलरी और कितनी एफडी है, उसकी भी जांच होगी। किसके पास एक वाहन है, किसके पास 2 वाहन है, उसकी भी जांच होगी। यानी किसके पास कितनी जमीन है, उसकी भी जांच होगी। व्हीकल कितने हैं, उसकी जांच होगी। कांग्रेस इसका सर्वे कराएगी और फिर कांग्रेस कब्जा करेगी। सरकार के नाम पर कब्जा करके आपकी संपत्ति को छीन करके बांटने की बात कर रही है।
Let me go across to Pragya joining us with more. Pragya, despite the Congress, seeking an appointment with the Prime Minister, despite the Congress saying that let's discuss the Congress manifesto in detail because the Prime Minister's just spoken of a bunch of lies, has attempted a hate speech in Rajasthan. He's taken it a notch up higher. He goes on to reiterate then, Pragya, that the Congress is indeed running after the wealth, the salaries, bank deposits, money of each and every citizen in the country. So he's not stepped back from what he said yesterday. He's only escalated the attack further.
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have any foundation what Prime Minister said. Prime Minister is taking cue from the speeches of Rahul Gandhi and also from the Congress manifesto. Recently Rahul Gandhi said that there will be a survey of sorts, financial and institutional as well, to know who has how much wealth, and it will be redistributed among people. This is exactly what BJP has picked upon. And this is not the first chance that BJP is doing so. BJP carefully listens to what also the Congress says whenever he goes out and speaks to people, and also what his manifesto says. And not just that, BJP is taking cue and also examples of the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh as well, where he said that the right on the resources, first right on the resources of the country, lies with the minority, which is Muslim. And also he said, they need to look at the various innovative ideas where they need to upgrade the living standard of minorities, especially Muslim. So BJP has always said that Congress has done politics of appeasement, and this is exactly the statements, and also Congress manifesto is reflection of that. What Congress means is, when it says that we will have this survey of wealth and also redistribution among those who don't have, this has been explained by Prime Minister when he said that the wealth of yours will be taken and it will be redistributed among people who have more kids. Obviously they are on the lower rung of the society. Prime Minister has just deduced what Rahul Gandhi and the Congress manifesto is saying, and this is this has been a pitch of BJP where it has attacked Congress time and again, saying that you work only for one religion, you don't work for everyone, despite the fact that we have been saying it is sabka saath sabka vikas. You blame us for division. It is you and your leaders in the past who have divided the society on basis of religion, and you have been responsible for what the situation of Muslim today is.
Okay. And, as far as the BJP is concerned, Pragya, they have come out to say that it's not just Rahul Gandhi in 2024. It is also Manmohan Singh in 2004, 2006, 2014, who's made several such remarks, statements, spoken for the party, has taken an official stand for the minority community. And that's where this attack from the BJP is coming from, really. But stay on with us. The Congress, like I said, is lashed out at what the Prime Minister said. In a political attack, it's sought time from the Prime Minister, has said that they will also be sending copies of their manifesto from all over India to the PMO. Listen in.
Elections should fight with harmonious mindset. That should begin from the Prime Minister itself, because Prime Ministership is the big position in this country, constitutional position. But this is quite unfortunate. He is lying everything. He is entirely misquoting the Congress manifesto. That is why we decided to send the manifesto from all over India to PMO. That's all. He is panicking. He is now realizing that India's mood is changing. That is why he is doing all of these things.
There are several reactions that have come in from the Congress. They're attributing his remarks to a disappointing phase 1 of Lok Sabha elections for the BJP. And they've said the Prime Minister's only resorted to lies and hate speech to divert people's attention from real issues. The Congress has also challenged the Prime Minister to show where in the Congress manifesto does it say that they will give all their resources to the minority community. Let's listen in to some other reactions coming in from the Congress camp.
जो ट्रेंड आया है उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी बहुत पिछड़ गई। उसी की हताशा, निराशा और बौखलाहट में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपने पद की गरिमा को गिराते हुए एक बड़ा राष्ट्रीय झूठ बोला है। मेरी चुनौती है प्रधानमंत्री जी आपको कि आप हमारे घोषणा पत्र में वो पेज बताइए, हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में वो लाइन बताइए जहां हमने ये कहा है कि हम सबका इकट्ठा करके मुसलमानों में बांट